What is going on, everyone? Today I'm going to be giving you a how-to video. Something super cool, but if you want to know what it is, you've got to note this disclaimer first. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it so we can hang out, have fun, make a little bit of money, hopefully, and then get stuff on your radars for you to go and do your own research and hopefully make more money. Let's get straight in. So guys, I'm going to kick this off on Kucoin.com. Links will be down below. It's find the next crypto gem on Kucoin, all right? This app can be downloaded on Android, Google Play, App Store. Scan that QR code and it will come up. Make sure you got the official one. You can actually sign up right now and up to 500 USDT in bonuses for new users. 1 out of 4 cryptos holders worldwide with Kucoin. I personally use Kucoin myself, so I do think it's incredible. To get an idea of exactly what I'm talking about, it's a crypto wallet with much more than a normal wallet. What you want to do is sign up there. If you already have an account, just log in at the top and it will tell you all about it. How do you use it, right? So if you want to buy crypto, fast trade, PTP, third party deposit fiat, check out the markets through this section here. What's Bitcoin looking like? It'll take you straight to the markets. Remember, you can do this on the App Store through your phone. Check the markets here. Super cool. What's it been looking like for a month? We all know it's down. Wait, soon I do see all crypto going back up. Now let's look at the trade. If you want to do a bit of spot trading, it'll take you through to the section. You can actually get straight in. This is, as you can see, looking exactly like TradingView. You can actually start marking your own charts up through Kucoin on here, okay? Where do I think this is going? Draw out your lines, wherever you want to go, and get it on there. Your spot trading. So you're going to put the price of USDT, the price of that, and once you've logged in, it'll say here, sell, buy, everything you want to do. Okay, you get more deep into it the more you use it. So let's go back off that. You can do margin trading, the trading bot, which is a pro. You can earn passive income through this. We've got the derivatives, the future classics, future live, future brawl, leverage tokens. We've got the earning section. Loads of ways to earn. Okay, you can use the spotlight, Q earn, crypto lending, pool, Kucoin win, the cloud mining, which is my favorite. And we got the NFTs. Just to have a quick look at the NFTs here. We've got Windave and Wonderland. This is the Windave Genesis. You can see here these chickens on the right hand side. If you want to join that, all you're going to do is click join. It's going to take you to the rounds. Now the Storm round bid is here. You got to connect your wallet. All you do is connect that. Use MetaMask, which I do recommend, and get in there. And this is a bidding round. Only top 1,400 bidders by the price eligible to participate in that round. Okay, so get in there, have a look. They do have a second collection, which is super cool. So have a look at them all. You don't want to miss out. You can look at Wonderland, which is their NFT launch platform. Play now, get in there, and obviously it shows you the same. This gives you a little bit of a demo for what is going on, right? It's from Picaster. If you look at the partners, I'm just showing you the basics of how to get around and how to use Kucoin, all right? This is going to take you to the game. So, going back off this, what I want to take you to now is the trading bot that I talked about, the passive income, right? This is incredible. Now, if you actually sign up, and I do recommend signing up and putting some money into this, it's not financial advice. It's me telling you that it's working for me. It's working for my friends. This can make you money, right? You're going to go in there, choose the amount you want. How much do you want to invest? You can either choose BTC and USDT, or you can just use USDT. I want to put 75% of my stake in. You would sign up, click there, and the bot would start trading for you. That's super powerful. It's out of your hands. You can set the parameters all you want, okay? As it says here, the spot grid bot buys low and sells high within the price range. Once the price is out of the range, the bot will stop trading. The number of place, sell, buy orders. Okay, really cool. You're going to put 100 there. That's the price you want to go between 0.30 and 0.69 with a profit. This is a passive income, guys. Get involved. Now, to touch more on the earn services, okay, we're going to go down. Let's have a look. Obviously, I've talked about what we have here. I just want to touch on the pool, okay, which is a really interesting part. So it empowers hash rate to achieve capital appreciation. This is the pool that you're going into, okay? It's basically a node network upgrade, okay? You just connect to the pool by clicking this. Calculate how much you're going to make. So BTC, fee rate, 200. Let's go with a random amount. The network difficulty of that. And your income is going to 389.48. Really simple. That's the pool calculator. Put in there. I would recommend going through all of these earns. Okay, because there's so many. Let's go for Kucoin win. Have a look what that says. Lucky raffle coming soon. So you can actually get on here. Fun way to actually make some crypto. It's basically a lottery in a game. Again, you're going to have to be logged in, so please get involved in Kucoin. And I do recommend, this isn't advice, I recommend depositing and getting into some of these earning methods. Okay, we have the cloud mining, which I did say was my favorite. Okay, so you can actually invite friends and family to enjoy commissions. So my link will not be down below. This is not for my own benefit. I'm saying this for your benefit. Get involved. Use the links down below to get all the research done. Get involved here, deposit, and you can actually start earning a commission off this. You can share it with your friends, things like that. You can make a YouTube video about it if you'd like. You can even copy this YouTube video, some of the information on it, and use your own link, all right? But you've got to deposit and sign up first. Really, really easy to make money on here. Now, they have got a campaign cashback on this. If you sign up right now, you are going to get cashback, okay? It's around $5 for the $30. So you put $30 in, you're going to get $5 back. As you can see here, you get up to 500 USDT, like I've said before. You could actually earn so much more in the bonuses just by signing up today. Another thing that I want to show you, okay, is the flash sales. Are super cool in the P2P. You've got here the fast trading, the P2P, super, super quick, right? They have flash sales going up. All you got to do is one click, okay? Deposit with your credit card. Super, super easy. They have 70 plus ways of depositing. It's a faster way to buy crypto. Get in, bang, buy, hit that. You now have USDT. You're on the P2P, and there is a flash sale. It'll keep posted orders, right? All you got to do is, what do I want to do? I want to do buys. I'm going to click this, and I'm just going to click buy. It's going to do it instantly. If you were signed up, that would have just bought it. Done. Simple. I want to put a sell on. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. Which one do I like better? Z Trades. Always making good ones. Bang, sell it. Done. Okay, you follow someone that you think is really, really good, and you just copy their trades. So simple. No longer do you have to use your own risk. You can use theirs. Guys, I highly recommend before getting in is reading this Medium article, okay, the Kucoin Media Kit. Tells you all about the company profile, the industry recognition, the Kucoin spot trading, the features, the earn, the pool, the press releases. Now, we've talked a little bit about them all. Please go and do your own research. This link will be down below. Get in here and have a look. This tells you everything you need to know. Okay, as it says here, the Kucoin has raised over $150 million in investment. Super, super incredible. Get involved now. So guys, this is the P2P section, all right? What you want to do is just deposit easy like this. We're going to talk about that more at the end of the video because there's a cashback incentive coming on. But just put in the amount you want, the limit, put your USDT for your Visa MasterCard. So you're just going to use your normal MasterCard to buy the USDT, okay? And press it there. And you're going to go to the P2P section, okay? It's peer-to-peer trade. What happens is you are going to buy and sell on here. Now, there is flash sales on Mondays. Flash sales on Mondays where you can just come in and go, bang, you're going to click buy, and it's going to ask you to log in if you're not logged in already. You can log in through mobile, email, or QR code. Once you're logged in, once you click that buy, it's going to put it on straight for you, okay? Flash sales on a Monday for the peer-to-peer. As you can see on here, it's only for certain coins, USDT, BTC, ETH. Puts them up against another coin, and you can see what you can buy. Super, super excited. Look, you got the twin prime here, which is USD against USDC. Buy, if you were logged in, it would work straight away. Same with the selling, the exact same concept, but with different functions. All you got to do is click sell, and it will do the exact same for you. This is USD to BTC, for example. So there we have it, guys. If you love this, you're about to love this even more. Now, there is a cash back incentive going on, okay? $5 for every $30 that you deposit. Please get in and deposit right now. You need to be hitting the links down below and depositing right now. You can start earning money on top of your deposits. That's incredible. If you like this video, please hit the like. If you loved it, hit the subscribe. Until the next video, I am gone. Have a blessed day. I'll see you there.